Welcome to the OPOLab. This is the OSSD Grade 10 NPM 2D, Chapter 1, Systems of Linear Equations, Section 1, Represent Linear Relations. The first subsection, we're going to talk about the first kind of linear relations. That's from the table. Also we're going to find the difference of y. It also gonna be the slope. So how to find the slope? We can according to this table. According to this table, we can find two values. The first is x. The second y is 1. So the linear relation here is talk about the relation between the x and y. So how to find the difference of y? So we can focus on only for the y value. That means we can use the second value to times the first value. It's gonna be 2 minus y equal 2. So that will be 2 minus 0 equal 2. For the 4 minus 2 equal 2. 6 minus 4 equal 2. Finally, the 8 minus 6 equal 2. For the finish the difference of y, we can find that all of number of the difference are 2, so they're the same. So we also can call this kind of relation called the linear equation. Right. So, linear relations. Right. So for the summary, that is when we find the slope of y, the difference are the same number, so we can call that for the linear relations. So let's talk about the second kind of linear relation called the graph. So when we finish the table, so we can according to the table we can draw the graph of the linear equations. So how to draw the graph? Let's just to focus the each of numbers. So we can use an coordinate to draw the graph. For the first point is 0, 0, 0. So that's the point. Second one is the y2. Y2, that will be for this equals to be 1. This is 2, so that will be here. Y2. Okay, the third one is 2, 4. 2, 4, that will be 2. Oh, so that will be here. The third one is 3, 6. There will be a 3. This will be 6. Let me show this one. Y2. This is the 2, 2, 4. And there is the 3, 6. And finally, there is the 4, 8. 4, 8. It's why they did this line for 1. So the 8 is going to be here. Here. Oh, there is a mistake. The rest of the y value are not the same. Let's rewrite it again. This time we can draw the bigger one, right? Okay. This one is 0, 0, and the second one is 1, 2. I draw the smaller one, right? 2, 3, 4, right? Next to talk about the y value, the 2, 4, 6, 8. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 8. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. The final step we just to connect this type of this point. So the line where maybe this point is gonna be here. Where I thought that is not a big deal for this type of graph. For it. So finally, we can find for the linear equations of the graph. So that will be linear, right? Linear radius for x and y. There's an example for there is an example for the test table. Right. First to find the difference. We have to find the difference, right? 9 times 6 equal 3, 12 equal 9 equal 3. 50 minus 12 equals 3. 18 equal 15 equal 3. So all of numbers are 0, there is a linear equation. So next to for the graph. Okay, let's find the number 0, 6. We can start it here, right? 6, 9, 12. Okay. And this value are 1, 2, 4. Maybe 6, 1, this 1, 2, 3, 4. And there will be x, there will be y. That doesn't matter what the next are different same. The important way is to just draw the line. It will be 0, let's draw the point for first one is here, and the second one is here. The third one is here. And the third one is here. The final point is here. Let's draw the line. Okay. That's the end of this example. We can find why the difference of this example to the first example. Because of the according to this example, we can find that this line do not pass the zero. It's gonna pass the 0.6, but this graph would pass the 0 to 0. So we can know that this one we can call that the y we can call the y it 6. That will be the x value are 0 and the y values are for the y. So if the line cross the like this, the there is called the x intercept. That means the x value are x, the y are 0. Okay, finally we can find the important from to represent the linear equations. We can call that the algebraic forms. So there is two formula for the algebraic form, both are the same. First, let's talk about the first one. We can find there is two values for the m and b, right? Because of the x values and the releases, so that we do not talk out by anymore. So what's the m? M is called the difference, right? Also we can consider the slope is the first number which you solve it. So for this one we can know that the slope equal to for this one we can find the slope equal 3. So that's the m value. Alright. For the b we can call that the y intersect, that means the x value are 0 and the y is a b, right? So according to this graph, we can know that the 6 is called the b equals 6. But for this one, we cannot know that b equal to 0. Also, we need to be careful about the m cannot be 0. If m cannot be 0, that means y only can be just the not linear relations. We can call that the constant relations. The second two is for the general one. It's called the general form. So that means the A, B, C can be any number from the integer. So that means the A cannot be like the A over B or like the equals A or right. So the B only keep the integers from this number. So that negative 2 plus 1 y plus 0 equal to 0, right? So let's talk about how to make that equal. The first one we need to talk about how to find the from by the 2 to the 1. The first step, we need to cancel out of the c. That means we can minus the c. That we can minus the c. So that's gonna be ax plus by equal negative c. Next, we need to move to cancel out the ax minus ax by the two sides. So that's gonna be 0 plus by equal minus c minus ax. So we need to divide by b for different way. We're gonna be y equal to negative c over b minus a over. So for this time c is the b. For the a over b, we can, well, so there's a mistake here. Well, we need to move this time to the first and this time to the second one. So that's the same for the b m and the b. So my negative a over b is the m, and negative c over b is the b. The second one is easy. Just to move the y to this here. We're gonna be mx minus y plus b equals 0. That's done. So let's give an example. How to write this form to the first form. We can write the solutions. When that means 2x times plus cy equal negative 6. The next step is to move the 2x to the here. So over by 3. And note that this equal 2. So that's the final answer. Let's talk about the second one. It was transferred to the first time. So first time we can to cancel out the 3. It will be 3y equal 2x times 2 times 3. That will be 12. And that will be 2x minus 3y plus 12 equals 0. We are done. That's the final answer. For the next part, we talk about the point path line. First we already gave an line of the linear equations. That's an the several points. We just to plug the number of points to the this relations. We can calculate if the point will pass the line. So how to do that? For the number a is y8. we can just write the down where x equals 2, the y equal to 2 plus 3 equal 7. So the point is 2, 7. We also can find out outside the 7 equal 8, so the line is do not on the point on the line. So it's that the a do not pass the line. The second is B5. Okay, where x equal to 5, the y equal 2 times 5 plus 3 equal 30. The point is 530. Do not equal 520, so it also do not pass the line. Second one is when x equal 3, the y equal 2 times 3 plus 3 equal 9. The point is 3, 9. Let's check. It also do not pass the line, right? 3, 6. The point C do not pass the line. The D, with x equals 0, the y equal 2 times 0 plus 3 equals 3, that is 0, 3. Also do not pass the 0 to 0. That means that this point also do not pass the line. Let's try out the final one, the E, where x equal E, y equal 2, y plus 3 equal 1. The point is y 5. Oh, it is equal to the E, y 5. So we can find out the E is past the line, right? Let's draw out the graph. The E is that will be y5, right? Okay, that's the end of the section. Thank you for your listening.